Meaning of dowsing rod.
Dowsing rod.
Dowsing rod.
Dowsing rod.
Dowsing rod. A dowsing rod, also known as a divining rod or water witching rod, is a tool used in divination and water dowsing. It consists of a Y-shaped or L-shaped rod or twig that is believed to be able to detect hidden underground water sources, minerals, metals, graves, and even missing persons. The dowser holds the rod with both hands and walks slowly over the area where they believe the target object is located. When the rod detects the target, it supposedly moves or vibrates, indicating the presence and direction of the object. However, there is no scientific evidence to support these claims.